We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC-J985 printer. And we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass. We've been noticing that when we're running copies or scans that we're getting smudges and lines on some of our copies and scans, and that's going to indicate that the scanner glass is dirty. So we're going to go ahead and open up the scanner, and you'll actually notice there's the large piece of glass for the flatbed scanner, and there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. That small strip of glass is actually for when you're scanning using the top document feeder. So if you're using this to scan or make copies, and that's when you're noticing most of your problems, then you're going to want to focus most of your cleaning on the small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. It's kind of, a lot of people don't realize what it's there for, and it kind of gets overlooked, and it's really important to kind of figure out when you're noticing those blemishes happening, whether using the document feeder or the face down flatbed scanner, and depending on when you're noticing those problems, to clean that glass as needed. So to clean it, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. And probably the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass. If you do that, you run a high possibility of the cleaner actually seeping underneath the glass, and it can cause a lot more problems than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Once you have your cleaner in your cloth, you're just going to be cleaning the glass. You want to make sure that if there's any fingerprints, dust, ink, whiteout, I've seen tape, things like that, you get all of it off. After you wipe it down, give it a visual inspection, make sure you don't actually see anything on the glass still. Once you're happy with the way it looks, we're going to go ahead and move on to the flatbed scanner. Just because they're highly prone to fingerprints and dust, smudges, things like that. And while we're here and cleaning anyway, we might as well get it all taken care of. Again, we're just going to wipe it down really well. Make sure you look at it afterwards, make sure you don't see anything left on the glass. Once you're happy with the results, I would recommend doing copies and scans, whichever you prefer. And I would actually do them for both the top document feeder and for the flatbed scanner. Make sure all blemishes went away, you're happy with the way it looks. If you're still getting faint lines or faint little blemishes, there's probably just a little bit of something still in that glass. Just go ahead and repeat that cleaning process one more time. But other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.